Let's move to the titration part. Now Bhumika will again do this experiment. Now in this beaker we have oxalic acid which we have made just, and in this burette we will add NaOH solution by using this funnel, and we have this indicator, phenolphthalein indicator. Now Bhumika will just pipette the oxalic acid solution up to this mark, just so. Yes. Now put the oxalic acid. Now she will add the phenolphthalein indicator in the oxalic acid, 2 to 3 drops. Now in this burette add some NaOH. Just up to this. Now she have added little bit extra. We will extract the extra amount of NaOH. Now we have to note the reading of this burette. It is about 2 ml. The initial reading is for the 2 ml. Now start the process. She will open the nozzle and shake well. She have to wait till the slightest pink color, observe, and then we will note the reading. We have to wait for the drop by drop. We shake. The color disappear. We have to wait till the color remains in this flask. Shake, Bhumika. The color is still disappearing. So now at this point the color is not disappearing while shaking also. Now we will note the reading. The reading is about 13.5 because it is the mid of 13 and 14. Now we will minus the final reading from the initial reading. We will take similarly 3 more reading to calculate the exact strength of NaOH by simple using this experiment. Thank you.